we'll do a short interview with her. How's it feel? Does it? All right, congratulations. I'll see you on Tuesday. Last Tuesday ever. Vivian Riley, how you doing? Thank you, Coach. Obviously, too. Did you really?
Yeah.
Well done. There's that school. This is done with it. We took a video, what, every day for a week. She is very ready. On three, Ridgeview. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, so this is the last Friday of my elementary school career. It's currently May, and I'm super excited. It's Friday.
All right, fun Friday for Ms. Vivian Riley here. It is her last Friday of her entire elementary school career.
Yep.
Last day of school is Thursday next week, but today it's Fun Friday. Her last Fun Friday as a Forest Creek Coyote.
Yep.
Moving on up to Ridgeview next year, but right now we're going to do our last Friday.
Yep. Let's
All
go.
right. Bye. Here she comes. Vivian Riley on her last Friday of elementary school. We will do a short interview with her. She gets over here to see how her final Friday of elementary school went. That was your last Friday ever of elementary school. What do you think of that?
It was great.
How was it?
It was great.
Last fun Friday
Yes.
of your entire elementary school career?
Yes.
All right, congratulations. We will see you back then on what?
Monday.
Monday for your final Monday as an elementary schooler?
Yep.
All right.
Bye. Okay, so this is the last Monday of the school year, also the last week of elementary school for me. It's currently May 20th, and yeah, I'm super excited.
Excellent. So Vivian Riley, her last Monday of her elementary school career.
Yep.
So we're just gonna kind of check. We'll check in after school to see how her last Monday was. We'll do this again Tuesday, Wednesday, and then the last day of elementary Thursday. But today's Monday.
Yep.
Her last fun Monday. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll see you after school.
Okay, bye. Okay, so I just finished my last Monday of elementary school, and yeah, that was super fun.
Indeed, your last Monday as an elementary school student. She's home. How was it?
It was great.
It was awesome.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you on Tuesday.
Okay, bye. So today is Tuesday, May 21st, and it is literally my last Tuesday of my Forest Creek career. Super excited. Yeah.
All right, great. So May 21st, 2024. This is Vivian Riley's last Tuesday
Yep.
for elementary school career. We got her last Thursday, Friday Monday and now Tuesday. We'll check in again after school today, see how it all went. But we're on the countdown here now.
Yeah.
She's nearing the end of her elementary school career. It's been awesome, and we're gonna see how Tuesday goes.
Yep. Bye. Okay, our last Tuesday accomplished. Yep.
Last Tuesday ever of
Elementary.
the school year, or of all of
Elementary.
elementary.
It's sad but exciting. Yeah.
Did you do much on your last Tuesday?
No,
not really.
We just watched Pixar shorts.
Yeah. We did like science stuff, but it wasn't like that much.
It's been an awesome week so far, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Do you remember your first week of elementary school when you were in kinder?
No.
No.
It's been a while.
No.
Maybe. Well, you're coming down to your last week here. So you've done Tuesday, you have Wednesday and Thursday, and that's it.
Yeah.
All right. On three, go Coyotes. 1, 2, 3.
Go Coyotes. Okay, so today is Wednesday, May 22nd, and it is my second to last day of elementary school. That's crazy. I'm super excited though, because, yeah, super excited because, we don't do that much stuff.
All right. Second to last day of elementary school.
Yep.
It's Wednesday. Tomorrow's your last day, Thursday. One more day today.
Yep.
We'll check in after school, see how it went.
Yep.
We'll do it one last time tomorrow.
Uh-huh.
All right. See you over there.
See ya. Bye.
There she comes, Vivian Riley. How you doing?
Good.
How's the second to last day of school?
Great.
It is the eve of summer vacation. One more time, you can make this crossing. All right, let's do it.
Bye. So I just finished the eve of the last day of school, and yeah, it was a really fun day. We really just played games all day, but we also made this shirt. We signed, we had signatures back and front. So yeah, we got to go to like all the classes to do it, and it was overall a really fun day.
All right, outstanding. That was your second to last day of school. Tomorrow is your last day of elementary school.
Yep.
That's it. It's over.
Yeah.
So we'll check in the morning. Fun-filled day.
Yeah. For the last.
Congrats on your second to last day.
Yep.
See you tomorrow.
Bye. Okay, so today is the last day of school for me. It is currently Thursday, May 22nd,
2000.
24, and it's gonna be the last day of 7th grade for me.
All right, last day of 7th grade. Very good. Just done 6th grade, done 7th grade at Ridgeview. Almost done 7th grade. Next year is your last year at Ridgeview, but today, last day of being a 7th grader. All right, good job, Olivia.
See you after school. Okay, so today is May 23rd, 2024, and it is my last day of elementary school, like forever. I'm sad but excited. But yeah, last day of elementary school.
All right, quite the accomplishment, Vivian Riley.
Yep.
She is ending her elementary school today, her elementary school career today. She has done an amazing job over there at Forest Creek Elementary.
Yeah.
Later today, we will watch her graduate elementary. Will be a brand new junior high school student.
Yeah.
But today, one more day. Very proud of you, Viv. We're gonna get walking over there. Let's enjoy this last day.
Yep, let's do it. Bye.
Last day of elementary school. Here she comes. The whole crew's here. Very big day today. She's walking in, Olivia. Remember 2 years ago we did this for you? Your sister. One Did you really?
Yeah.
It's all done, huh?
Yeah, it's bittersweet, but
You made it, huh? Congratulations. All done with elementary.
yep,
Vivian Riley signing off.
yep, signing off.
There's that school. This is done with it. You may never have to go back again. Quite some time, huh? Alright, keep walking home.
Yep, let's go. Okay, so this was a very fun day. Just finished my last day of my elementary school career. Again, bittersweet, but yeah, it was overall very fun, and I think I got a lot out of that. I think I got as much as I could.
Liked your elementary school years?
Yes.
Yeah, alright. Well, we took a video, every day for a week,
Yeah.
both before you went to school and after you went to school. So this will be the last video of that series because elementary school is over for this one. She's full on a junior high school student now. She is very ready for junior high. So it's been a blast, Vivian. And we're gonna go do the Forest Creek pool party here next. But next school video is we'll see you over at Ridgeview.
Yeah.
On 3 Ridgeview. 1, 2, 3.
Ridgeview.